Hello boys and girls, in today's episode we will continue repairing our damaged BMW 540i. We will start with replacement of damaged front hood and install a good used one, but first let's install the front right wheel. Let's start washer fluid hose removal. I'll continue the removing process with removal of this nut and that nut. Okay, it still stays on place, but I have to find somebody to help me with removal. I successfully managed to install the hood. Everything fits perfectly. Adjusted the gaps, but there is a slight problem. This is the fitment here and here. At this location there is a gap. The hood sits lower compared to the front fender, and here the gap is bigger. Here it's okay, it's fine. It's a bit lower on this side. I adjusted the gaps. It fits perfectly. I adjusted the rear hinges. These hooks here. I'm lucky because the rear hinges are straight. They were not bent during the collision. I'll proceed with fixing this torn wiring harness. And I've just found a damaged waterline hook over there. You cannot see it. Okay, that is holding this radiator hose. I need to find a part number for this bracket and to replace it. You can see the radiator hose bracket that has been broken. I need to replace it. The next thing that I have to do is to replace all of the stickers, remove this sound insulation, all of the pucks, and repaint the hood. I have to remove all original stickers from the older hood, transfer to the new hood because they are different and some of them are missing. I have to figure out how to remove all of this because I have to repaint the hood that is installed on the car. Okay, that's easy. I have to remove this sound insulation. And now it's removed. Let's figure out how to remove all of the plugs that are installed on the hood. All the grommets and plugs are removed. Now it's time for the stickers. We need a sharp blade like this and a bottle with hot water. I'll continue by removing all the plugs and grommets of the replacement hood and prepare it for painting. The hood is done. Let's fix the damaged insulation of the engine harness. Now it's fixed. Let's fix some more wiring harness problems. This mounting bracket is going to fall. The insulation is repaired. I'll make a test fitment of all the air ducts and splash shields to the new intercooler. The first air duct is fitted perfectly. I have to lift the car. Everything fits okay. It's fine. It's acceptable. I'll remove all of these air ducts because I'm not satisfied with intercooler installation. I'll modify it to make a better fitment. But before that, we'll continue with rear end heat shielding installation and sponge shield installation. We'll continue with rear muffler heat shielding. What a difference between these two parts. Damaged one, a good one, brand new, BMW OEM. I have to remove rear muffler rubber mount with this homemade special tool. This stud here is bent, I have to straighten it. And now it's time for the splash shield. This is the old one and new one. I have to transfer all of these clips. I have to install the splash shield first. Now I have to install the heat shielding. This part of the rear end is done. Heat shielding installed, splash shield installed, muffler attached.